read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Me Sayyida Maryam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? What are the expected learning outcomes? The student is expected to identify the lowercase letter F and learn the vocabulary words that start with the sound of letter F. Today we taught to the student letter F, its vocabulary words, but just taught about fish, flower, and frog. You have to make flashcards of different words that start from letter F. Okay? And you have to teach to the student F, fish, F, flower, F, frog, finger, fire. Okay? Now it's time to say goodbye. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.